हेलो। तो दोस्तों आज हम बात करते हैं अल्गो ट्रेडिंग। अल्गो ट्रेडिंग आपने नाम सुना होगा। इट्स वेरी स्केरी, इट लुक्स वेरी स्केरी, इट लुक्स एक्सट्रीमली टेक्निकल, इट लुक्स way beyond a common man's reach. Partly true because yes, designing your own algo trading is going to take a little bit of investment, and most of the HNIs today they are trading with algo trading basically. Now, what is algo and what are the pros and cons? Uh, we are now going to analyze, so you can decide it by yourself whether algo is good for you or it's not good for you. Now, just imagine how many times your emotions came in between and you lost the money while trading. The biggest hurdle while you want to make money with trading is the emotions. While there is a loss, we wait for the market to come in our favor, and then the losses are gone, or we convert the loss into a profit. And when there is enough profit, we don't want to book because we want more and more profit. So what happens is basically the greed and fear are the main reason that a trader is not able to, what we actually encounter in our daily lives of trading. Now, what exactly is algo? Now, suppose I develop an algo, and if you are using that algo for trading for yourself, for example, so it's not you, it is me who is trading on your behalf, on your PC. The algo doesn't have any emotions. It doesn't have any emotion. It is not going to think. It is not going to look at the news. It is not going to hear to your neighbor what is it saying, whether it's going to work out. It's not going to work out. So you just have to give certain commands, and it will execute the buys and sells. For example, you expect the markets to go higher, and you want to buy the options. So you bought an option and the market did go high. Now algo will not think that this much profit is sufficient for my monthly expenses, or you want to do so and so, you want to achieve a property. So it doesn't have these kind of feelings at all, that daily I should earn this much, monthly I should earn this much. So you just need to program to the algo that okay, certain percentage of the profit is reached, exit. So it is going to exit a certain amount of loss, exit, it is going to exit. Now here's the wonderful thing. When you are doing trading with algorithmic trading or robotic trading, whatever you say, there's a wonderful feature and it's called backtesting. When you backtest, you will actually come to know that the profit you expected in your strategy is not that much. For example, you thought if I bought the options, ATM options every month or every week, whatever, you thought that I can make 20%, 30%, and then in every trade I can make 10, 20%, and end of the year I can actually make 100% or 200%, something like that. Or say you are an option seller, for example, and you expected that every time I sell the options, I will make 5 to 6% per month by collecting the premiums. When you backtest, you get to know that your strategy is not going to give you, by algo trading, that much of returns. The reason is very simple, because algo will execute the orders in any given market situation without any emotions. So for example, you're selling the options and suddenly the market moves against you and you are making profit. For example, you're selling the options every month, because I sell the options myself, and you are making money. So first month profitable, second month profitable, third month profitable. So you assume that on an average you can make 5 to 6%, for example. But when you backtest the same idea, you get to know that you will not make on an 5% on an average, but you would rather make 2% on an average or 3% on an average. Why? Because when you backtest for 1 year or 1.5 year or 3 years or whatever period, it is going to take into consideration all the up moves, the down moves, the violent moves. When the market has moved 10% in a day, it is going to take into consideration all those moves. So then you'll get to know that my strategy is not going to work in these circumstances, and it is going to do fantastic in these particular situations. So you can actually come up with more optimized, or you decide, okay, no, I shouldn't be waiting for 100% of the profit. I should be waiting for just 50% of the premium that I collected, or 60% of the premium that I collected. So you'll actually get to know in what situations your algorithmic trading is going to work. Is going to give you fantastic results. It's not going to give you. It's going to give you horrible results, and you can actually program it accordingly. So algorithmic trading is, I think, in this given scenario wherein 60-70% of the trades, the trading is now being done in algorithmic trading. Yeah, so you won't be able to cope up with that kind of speed, with that kind of calculations. Wherein the person opposite to you, where you are typing it manually, thinking about, should I sell or should I buy? Is this profit enough for me, or should I exit? Shall I take the loss and exit? But the moment we are taking the decision whether should I take this loss and exit, the markets might have moved further up and down. So the only way to cope up is you need to move to algo trading, and that is this video all about. Is algorithmic trading possible for a retail trader? Can he actually convert his style of trading to algorithmic trading? Thank you so much.